In our busy world, no one is immune from the effects of stress. Not children, and certainly not teachers. Teacher burnout is real. We have 15% of our teachers leaving the profession every year. 41% leave in their first 5 years. We know that adopting a practice of yoga, mindfulness, or meditation can reduce stress in children and adults. And we've begun asking our teachers to start incorporating things like mindful moments and brain breaks into their school day. But simply demanding that teachers begin teaching mindfulness in their classroom is really just adding another task onto their already overflowing plates. As yoga and mindfulness teachers, we believe that our children need to learn coping skills, breathing techniques, mindful movement, and stress reduction. We also believe our teachers are equally deserving of learning the same things. Our established curriculum, teaching mindfulness and meditation to children, is a core concept of our program entitled Mindfulness and Yoga for Educators. In addition to learning to teach their students, teachers are introduced to their own yoga, meditation, and mindfulness practice in a fun and totally non-intimidating way. Evening and weekend classes offer hands-on exercises to enhance teachers' learning experience and effectively share them with their students.